There are rare moments in the technology landscape when anticipation reaches a level where a single product feels poised not just to improve an existing category, but to completely reset expectations. And right now the growing wave of discussion surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 feels exactly like one of those moments. Because this does not read like a routine refresh or a safe annual update. It feels like a deliberate attempt by Insta360 to redraw the boundaries of what an action camera can realistically deliver in 2025 and beyond. With leaks, early reports, insider chatter, and speculative feature breakdowns all pointing toward a device that blends cutting-edge imaging hardware, next-generation computational photography, advanced artificial intelligence processing, and creator-focused usability into a single compact body designed to outperform not only its predecessors, but also the long-established leaders of the action camera market. And as the creator community continues to search for tools that offer cinematic flexibility, reliable performance in extreme conditions, and simplified post-production workflows, the rumored Ace Pro 3 increasingly looks like a product engineered specifically for that new era of content creation. Starting with the headline feature that everyone keeps circling back to, which is 8K video recording, not because most viewers are watching content in native 8K resolution today, but because shooting in 8K fundamentally changes what creators can do after the footage is captured, allowing aggressive cropping, digital zooms, dynamic reframing, advanced stabilization, and simulated camera moves while still delivering crisp, detailed final exports in 4K or even 1080p, essentially turning a single wide shot into multiple usable angles, which is transformative for action sports, travel filmmaking, POV content, and cinematic vlogging. And when this rumored 8K mode is combined with high frame rate options such as 4K slow motion up to 120 frames per second, the Ace Pro 3 begins to look less like a traditional action cam and more like a pocket-sized cinema tool capable of capturing dramatic slow-motion splashes, jumps, drifts, spins, and high-impact moments with smooth, fluid motion that elevates everyday activities into visually engaging stories. But resolution alone does not define image quality, and according to leaks the true revolution may lie in the sensor itself, with reports pointing toward a large 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a substantial pixel size around 2.4 micrometers and a dynamic range approaching 13.5 stops, numbers that are almost unheard of in the action camera space and immediately signal massive improvements in low-light performance, noise control, highlight retention, shadow detail, color depth, and tonal smoothness, meaning creators could realistically shoot at sunrise, sunset, nighttime cityscapes, dim forests, indoor environments, or underwater scenes without the muddy shadows, crushed blacks, or blown highlights that have historically plagued compact cameras. And when you factor in the return of the Leica partnership, which has become one of Insta360's most powerful differentiators, the picture becomes even more compelling because Leica-influenced optics bring refined sharpness, natural contrast, accurate color science, pleasing skin tones, and controlled distortion, especially important when working with an ultra-wide field of view rumored to reach approximately 157 degrees, allowing creators to capture expansive landscapes, immersive first-person perspectives, tight interiors, and fast-moving action while maintaining clarity across the frame, even toward the edges where many action cameras fall apart. And this optical foundation is further enhanced by what appears to be a dramatically upgraded AI pipeline driven by a dual-chip architecture, which transforms the Ace Pro 3 from a simple recording device into an intelligent capture and editing system capable of understanding scenes, recognizing subjects, tracking motion, adjusting exposure and color in real time, stabilizing footage, reframing shots automatically, detecting highlights, and generating ready-to-share clips with minimal user input, effectively collapsing hours of manual editing into minutes and making high-quality content creation accessible not just to professionals but also to travelers, families, athletes, and casual users who want polished results without complex software. While stabilization remains another cornerstone of the Ace Pro identity, with leaks suggesting that the already impressive performance seen in previous models will be pushed even further to deliver footage so smooth that external gimbals become largely unnecessary. even during running, biking, climbing, skiing, or handheld movement, which has a profound impact on storytelling because stable footage keeps viewers immersed in the experience rather than distracted by jittery motion. Designed for real-world shooting conditions, making framing, vlogging, selfies, menu navigation, and exposure checks far easier under harsh sunlight or fast-paced scenarios, all supported by what could be one of the most significant battery upgrades in the category, with rumored endurance exceeding 3 hours of continuous recording alongside fast PD charging capable of restoring up to 80% capacity in just over 20 minutes. A combination that dramatically reduces downtime and makes the camera far more practical for long adventures, extended shoots, and travel days where power access is limited. And durability has not been overlooked either, with IP68 waterproofing indicating confidence in underwater filming, snow, rain, dust, and extreme outdoor use without requiring bulky housings, reinforcing the Ace Pro 3's positioning as a reliable companion for action sports, exploration, and everyday life, while audio quality, often treated as an afterthought, appears to receive meaningful attention through improved microphones and AI-based wind noise reduction, addressing one of the most common pain points in outdoor recording and helping videos feel more immersive, professional, and emotionally engaging without always relying on external microphones. And perhaps most disruptive of all is the rumored pricing strategy, which suggests that despite the massive leap in specifications, features, and performance, the Ace Pro the 3rd of May launch at a price point close to its predecessor, a move that would place enormous pressure on competitors and make flagship-level action camera performance accessible to a much wider audience, effectively redefining value in the market. And when you step back and look at the complete picture painted by these leaks, from 8K video and high frame rate slow motion to a large sensor, Leica optics, advanced AI editing, class-leading stabilization, improved battery life, fast charging, robust waterproofing, enhanced audio, and creator-friendly design, it becomes clear why excitement around the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 feels different. Because this is not just about better specs, it is about a shift in philosophy towards smarter cameras that empower creators to focus on storytelling rather than technical limitations. And if even a majority of these rumored features make it into the final product, the Ace Pro 3 has the potential to become one of the most important action camera releases in years, setting a new benchmark for portable video quality, intelligent capture, and creative freedom in a device small enough to take anywhere.